we just wanted to sum up a few of the key qualities that we think should accompany the LUP Facilitator. The first set of qualities relate to the framing of the analysis. So being able to think strategically and really be able to guide the stakeholders in terms of the choice of their territorial perimeter, the definition of the key land uses, and the main planning issue. What we did at the very beginning of our sessions together. So that people don't lose a lot of time in collecting data on land uses that will not be important in the scenarios, in the planning choices, but really focus on the important aspects. And by main planning issue, we refer back to, I don't know if you remember that slide in session 1, where we provided you some of the most common planning issues. You know, so trying for each of your projects, and it may be different in different projects, what is really at stake? Is it to diversify local land uses, to improve livelihoods? Is it to reduce conflicts? Is it to mitigate the impact of a big project that is anyway coming in the area? So going back always and never forgetting about what is really our core strategic loop issue. The second quality would be for us to be realistic as a loop facilitator, you know, constantly questioning the input data and the interventions and even the results of the that the actors are seeing, using complementary knowledge or information like maps, making use of the viability checks in your data collection worksheets or in the tool, asking questions like, is there enough suitable land or workforce to implement this scenario? Is it really viable? So being realistic, because in the tool you can do whatever you want. Obviously, you can double the production, you can expand drastically, but it's up to the loop facilitator to be realistic. And at the same time, give attention to the detail. So we really encourage you to make progress, even if you don't have the perfect data. So imperfect data should not be, you know, a limitation to get started. But before you complete your project, of course, we should be mindful of validating the key input data with the actors. Adaptability. So the demands from the stakeholders will regularly be more complex than what we can do with the tool. But if we are trying, we can sometimes, not always, but find creative ways with the tool to accommodate the demands to the extent possible. Like, you know, my answer to Diana's question on, you know, if we want to have different scenarios with different territory size, how can we do it? We duplicate the entire project and we do it this way. So our philosophy as facilitators is always trying to avoid saying no to the people. So if somebody asks you, can we do that? Can we reflect that in the scenarios? Because it is important for the stakeholders, would rather try to say yes and find the way to include it, even though it takes a bit of time with the tool.